Every day, millions of people consume cassava flour, often without thinking about the complex system of engineering science and the precious thing that behind the processing of cassava flour. This is not just farming. This is modern mechanic at work. Modern mechanized production of cassava flour, as you see on this machine, how the process started by harvesting the cassava. As we all know, cassava is widely planted in Africa, West Africa precisely, and the other Asian countries where cassava is being produced. But it not just end in production only. For you to transform the cassava to a eatable flour, you have to go into a lot of processing from one stage to another, which we are going to explain carefully on this video. If you pay attention, you will see how the process started from the beginning to the end. So cassava roots are harvested at peak maturity, typically between 8 and 18 months. Timing is critical and crucial in processing cassava. Too early and the starch level are low. Too late and the fiber increase, reduce flour quality. So these are the things they consider that make it to last up to 8 to 18 months. In modern operation, harvested roots are transported immediately to processing facilities. Speed matter. Cassava begin deteriorating within 48 hours of harvesting. When you did not peel off the back to able to process it, it will begin to decay. That will make it to be dangerous for consumption. But when you start early, as you have seen, the processing have started by transporting it to the facilities where the back will be removed and washed. As we watch the process very well, you will love this thing because these are the things which are putting food to millions of tables around the world, families all over the world who are, like to eat this food. Is a very nice food when prepared very well. So at the factory, cassava root entered automated sorting line. Damaged or diseased roots are rejected to protect production integrity. High-speed mechanical peeler remove the outer skin where natural cyanotic compounds are concentrated. Precious peeling minimize waste while ensuring food safety. This step alone can process several tons in per hour. By so doing it, you see the quantity and the quality of how the thing is going gradually from one step to another. Water jet blasters roots and remove the rotten dumps of the cassava. After peeling, cassava root pass through industrial washing dump. High pressure water jet remove soil, sand, and the other components that may contaminate the use of the flour and make it edible so that it will come out as approved by the health officials. Clean raw materials is non-negotiable in doing this thing. You must clean the cassava before you go on to process it to eatable flour. Any remaining impurity can compromise the milling equipment and the final flour itself. To prepare cassava for drying, the root must be reduced in size. Modern facilities use high-speed grater or rotary chippers. Break the root into the palms or uniform shapes. This increases surface area dramatically, improve drying efficiency and the consistency. So engineering principle, similarly, particularly dry faster and more evenly to make it more faster for the machine to process. As you see, as the machine is going and everything is moving gradually from one step to another, making it to look more clean and more hygienic. Hydraulic process apply control pressure, squeezing out excessive liquid while preserving starch structure. This step reduce energy cost during drying and they prevent microbial growth. Fresh cassava contain up to 70% water. That moisture must be removed to make it what it should be so that it can be good for our health. Efficiency here determine shelf life later. Drying is the most technical sensitive stage in production of cassava flour. Modern cassava flour plants use flash dryer or mechanical hot air system to reduce moisture content to below 12%. Temperature, airflow, and the time are precisely controlled. Too much heat destroys starch quality. Too little allow mold growth. This is where engineering discipline meet food science. Once fully dry, cassava entered industrial milling machine. Hammer mill squeezed the material into fine particles, transforming dry cassava into flour. The goal is this: uniform practical size, smooth texture, high starch retention. Modern mill can produce hundreds of kilos per hour. The flour is sleeved through vibratory science, removing corolla particles. What passes through is consistent, smooth, and ready for consumption. Samples are tested for moisture content, particle size, color, and purity. Only flour that meet street standard move forward to the next level. Finally, cassava flour is packaged in airtight food grade bag using automated filling system. Each bag is sealed, labeled, and the batched code for transportability. Store in cold, dry in warehouse. Proper processing cassava flour can last up to 12 months. So, in conclusion of this, cassava flour is more than a stumble. It is the result of precious engineering, industrial efficiency, and the agricultural science. From root to refined powder, every step is controlled. Every machine has a purpose, and every process proves one thing: modern food production run on modern mechanisms. So these are the things, the process that makes this beautiful African food to be something that Africa are proud of. From the planting of this to the harvesting and to the processing of it, it takes time, but when finally finished, it is something that everyone would like to test because it is healthy, it is hygienic, it gives you something in your system, it helps in growth, it helps in everything. There are many things that we use this cassava flour to cook, depending on the choice and the kitchen of your area where you are living. But it is widely accepted everywhere. So thank you for watching. If you find this video so helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and follow us for more as we go. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. My name is Kingsley from King Size Television.
finish. Almost finished. Almost finished. Almost finished. finish. Almost finished. Almost finished. Almost finished.